Hey guys, instead of buying the Icon 4th inch drive compact socket and bit set 52 piece that comes with all of this, you can go and get it cheaper by making your own set based off these tools. Probably because the Icon setup is $80. No, $79.99, which is pretty much $80. So I just wanted to let you guys know, so that hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live streaming YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the Community tab too. YouTube makes features where you get notified when I post on the Community tab. Bye guys, peace. I'm out.